Welcome to Centennial Ford. My name is Chris. I'm the delivery specialist here at the dealership, and today we are going to show you how to use the navigation system on the brand new Sync 3. So if you're new to our channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the bottom corner. Also, if you're interested in our Facebook page, the link is in the description, as well as our website too, so feel free to go shopping on our website. So without further ado, let's get to that Sync 3 system. So here is the Sync 3 screen. You have the home screen here, as you see. You can always reach the home screen by pressing this home button in the top left corner. Now, to use the navigation system, as you see, it's always up, and you can also bring it up to full screen if you just tap it. So there you go, that's full screen. All the heads-up display on the side and on the bottom will disappear after about 30 seconds. You can also pinch to zoom with this new Sync 3 system, which is fantastic. You also have the option of 3-dimensional right there, 2-dimensional true to north, or 2-dimensional heads-up. Most people usually choose option number 3, which is 3D, because it looks nicer and it's easier association. Left is left, right is right. Now, understanding the destination and how to put one in is super easy. You just have to press the voice button on the steering column and say,
please say a command.
Find a POI.
Where would you like to search? Please say nearby or in a city.
In a city.
In Saskatchewan, please say the city name.
Watrous.
In Watrous, please say the name of the POI.
Centennial Ford Sales.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
And that's how easy it is to find a point of interest. It also gives you the phone number for the place you're looking, the name, and if you want to call once your phone is paired, all you do is press the voice button, say dial the number, and it will dial the number. You just have to press the green button to start the trip, or you can press set as destination using the voice command off the steering wheel. So that's a general overview of how to use the nav system. There is so much more to this. You can also search out favorite locations. You can get traffic lists. You can also find out your, you can program your home, your work, favorite locations, as well as also you can search food, fuel, hotels, and so much more, as you see here with all of the options. You can search automotive, all that kind of fun stuff. If you're going camping, you can search recreation places, all that kind of fun stuff, parks, fitness centers, all that kind of cool stuff. So that is the navigation system in a general overview. If you enjoyed this video, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe over here in the bottom corner. Also, if you have any questions for us, feel free to give us a shout at the dealership. The phone number is 1-800-667-3353. That phone number is going to be in our description down there and below. And keep an eye out on our channel for more future videos. And have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.